Sir,
Good,
your voice is breaking.
good morning. Just a second. Now it is okay. 1 second.
No, sir.
Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Yes. Is my voice is okay now? Hello. Is my voice is okay? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So yesterday we have studied some direct examples. Here,
Yes, sir.
here the inequalities are involved with the equations. Those examples we are studying. So that is n cube minus n cube minus n divisible by 3. These examples we are studying. Sir, class? Hello? Hello? Sir. N cube minus n is divisible by 3 for all n greater than or equal
Your
to.
voice is breaking, sir.
1 second, 1 second. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So here we will study these kind of examples, the equations which are involved inequalities. So that you can observe here. So n greater than or equal to. So n cube minus n is divisible by 3. This is what the question is. Okay. So I'll take this as Sn. So I'll take this as Sn. So Sn I'll write n cube minus n is divisible by 3 for all n greater than or equal to 1. So as usual we are trying for n is equal to 1. So try for n is equal to 1. As this I have taken as Sn. So I'll take n is equal to 1. So friends, S of 1, that is 1 cube. See, you can see 1, wherever n is there, substitute n equal to 1. 1 cube minus 1, which is equal to 0, because 1 cube is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Is 0 is divisible by 3? Of course, 0 is divisible by 3. Therefore, I can write it as S of 1. S of 1 is true. Next, I told that assume the result is true for n is equal to k. So I have assumed here result is true for n is equal to k. So wherever n is there, substitute k. So I am writing the statement, you can see sk such that. So here instead of n, take k. Sk such that k cube minus k is divisible by 3 for all k greater than or equal to 1. So the same thing, whatever this is there, the same thing I am writing it as, that is S of k such that k cube minus k is equal to 3a, where a belongs to z. Divisible by 3 in the sense it should be multiple of 3. It should be multiple of 3. So that is next. I have assumed here, okay. So S of 1 is true. This first condition is over. I assumed n is equal to k. That is fine. And the same result I can write it like this way. That is also fine. Next, I have to prove it for S of k plus 1. The result is true for k plus 1. So that is wherever k is there, no, write it k plus 1. Here the procedure is bit different. Earlier what we were doing is that wherever n is there, there I used to write k plus 1. So here I have to show that with respect to k plus 1 also, even though if you are taking k plus 1, the result is divisible by 3, that I have to show it. So that for that what I will do is that take k equal to k plus 1 in the above equation. So that is k plus 1 the cube minus k plus 1. So we know that k plus 1 the cube, that is a plus b whole cube, that can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So I am writing here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b plus minus minus k plus minus minus 1. Next, we will simplify this. K cube is k cube, 1 cube is 1, 3k into k, 3k square, 3k into 1 is 3k minus 1. Okay, so next, therefore, here you can see k cube, 3k square, 3k minus k is 2k, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Okay, so next what we have to do is that the same equation we have to write it, but with k cube, no. So this step is important here. What I will do is that I want one step like this way, k cube minus k I want. So for that, here you can see minus k is missing, minus k, because this term I want it, this term I want, k cube minus k I want here. So because of that what I am doing is that minus k is missing. As minus k is missing, what I will do is that I'll add and I'll subtract. See, I want this equation, but whenever you are adding and subtraction, this get cancels, this equation remains the same. Okay, so for that what I am doing is that I'll add and subtract. This step is important here. Please try to note it. Okay. So one term I'll take it as k cube minus k. Remaining term you can see here 3k square, 2k plus k is 3k. K cube minus k. K cube minus k, friends. What is k cube minus k? 3a. You write it 3a. 3k square plus 3k. So here you can see 3 is common, k square plus k. So between these two, okay, 3 is common, 3 you take out. So that is a plus k square plus k. So 3 into, so this I'll take one more integer, that is b. Okay, where b is a plus k square plus k, which belongs to z. Okay, so it is 3b in the sense it is multiple of 3 only. So therefore sk plus 1 is equal to 3b you are getting. Therefore it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. So from this equation and from this equation. Okay, so once we have assumed s equal to k and we have proved s of k plus 1 is also divisible by 3 and it is multiple of 3. So therefore from these two equations I can conclude that s of k plus 1 is true. So last sentence, every time you are writing same sentence, that is by the principle of mathematical induction, S of n is true for all n greater than equal to 1. S of n is true for all n greater than equal to 1. Understood this? Hello? Everyone understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shall I go for the next example?
Sir.
Okay, fine. So next, here just an adjustment is required, except that everything is very simple. See, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 is divisible by 6 for every positive integer n. So take that s of n, that is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 is divisible by 6. So first of all I try for n is equal to 1. So s of 1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1. See, 2 ones are 2 plus 1. So this is 3. This is 3. This is 2, 1. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Is it right? take n is equal to 1. Okay, so which is see 6 is divisible by 6, that is 6 divides itself, therefore s of 1 is true. So next just you have to write this, so that is assume result is true for n is equal to k. So that is k plus 1, 2k plus 1 is divisible by 6. That is s of k is equal to k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1, that is equal to 6a. That is equal to 6a, where a belongs to some z. As we are writing, it is divisible by 6, so even it should be multiple of 6 only, the meaning one and the same only. So what I am doing is that s of k I am writing k plus 1, 2k plus 1 is equal to 6a. Okay, so consider now the result is true for s of k plus 1, that I have to say it. S of k plus 1 is equal to, so what you can do is that in the result s of k, here no, so you write k as k plus 1. So first term k is there, k plus 1, next term k plus 1 is there, replace k by k plus 1, k plus 1 plus 1, 2 into k plus 1 plus 1, that is this step. Okay, so this is k plus 1, this is k plus 2, this is 2k plus 3. Next k plus 1, k plus 2, as it is 2k plus. So here what adjustment I am doing, that's very important here. 2k plus 1, this term, this term I am writing this 2k plus 1. See everyone, 2k plus 1 plus 2. So here I am taking these terms together, this term together, later I am writing 2, it is one at the same only. So what I am doing is that k plus 1, k plus 2, so this I'll take one term, this I'll take one term, this into this into this, so that is k plus 1 k plus 2 into 2k plus 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So friends, so here what you can do, k plus 1 2k plus 1, no, you take it as x. So this k plus 1, this I'll take it as x. So k plus 2 into x, I am writing k plus 2 into x. So that is 2 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So that is k into x kx, 2 into x 2x plus 2 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So k into x, x means what, this term, again you write it x, 2x, x means what, you write it this, plus 2 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So next, therefore k into k plus 1 2k plus 1, I can write it as 6a. Okay, so next 2 into k plus 1 2k plus 1, so that is again 2 into x means you write it 2 into k plus 1 k plus 2. So this term is 6a, this term is 6a. So next, between these two what is common, 2 into k plus 1 is common, 2 into k plus 1 is common. Inside what is remained, 2k plus 1 plus k plus 2 is remained. So 6a 2 into k plus 1. So friends, this you open it, this you open it. So 2k plus k, 3k, 1 plus 2, that is 3. So 6a 2 into k plus 1. So here from this 3k plus 3, no, 3 is common, 2 into k plus 1 into 3 into k plus 1. Okay, so that is 2 3s are 6, k plus 1 into k plus 1, k plus 1 the whole square, 6a plus 6 into k plus 1 the square, that is 6 is common, so a into a plus k plus 1 the square. So 6 into, so this you take it as b, where b is equal to a plus k plus 1 the square, so that belongs to z. So I wrote it here 6b. So means what, the sk plus 1 is also divisible by 6. xk plus 1 is also divisible by 6. That is what the meaning is. Okay, so that's what I am writing here, comparing equations 1 and 2. Sk plus 1 is true, so therefore by mathematical induction Sn is true for all n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so this you can see here, this is one of the question paper example. So this question is important, so please you can see here 5 divides n square minus n for every positive integer. So next question I am dealing here. So 5 divides, that is nothing but n square minus n is divisible by 3. N square minus n is divisible by 3. Okay, so let Sn is equal to n square minus n, so divisible by 3. This statement I have taken it as S of n. So next the result is true for n is equal to 1. So S of 1 is equal to 1 raised to 5 minus 1. 1 raised to 5 is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. 0 is divisible by 5. That is fine. Therefore, I can conclude that S of 1 is true. Next, assume the result is true for n is equal to k. That is S of k is equal to k raised to 5 minus k is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5. Or that same thing you can write it as S of k square minus k, that is equal to 5a, where a belongs to z. That to take equation number 1, and as it is divisible by 5, no, I'll write it as 5 of a, means a is multiple of 5. So we can take a belongs to some integer that is called z. Okay, so a may be 1, a may be 2, a may be 3, whatever it may be. So next I have proved n is equal to 1. I assumed n is equal to k. Next I'll take the result is true for k plus 1. I have to prove it. So what I will do is that wherever k is there, replace k plus 1. K plus 1 raised to 5 minus k plus 1. So using binomial expansion you can do it, but here what I had done is that as the power is 5, I know that a plus b the whole square, that 5 I'll split it as a plus b the square, a plus b the square, a plus b. That is k plus 1 the square, k plus 1 the square, k plus 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. This is 2, this 2, this 1. Total it is 5. So next, therefore, what we will do is that k plus 1 is common. K plus 1 the square into k plus 1 the square minus 1. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I have a bit urgent work, so just I got a meeting, so I'll continue after this class, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.